Robinhood Error Code 3110 signifies an authentication failure. This means the app is unable to verify your login credentials, preventing access to your account. This video will guide you through understanding and resolving this common issue. Authentication is the fundamental process of verifying your identity before granting access to an account or system. When you log into Robinhood, this verification ensures that you are who you claim to be. Error 310 specifically signals that this verification process has failed, preventing you from accessing your trading account. A typical authentication flow starts with your login attempt, checks for multiple failed tries to prevent security risks, then verifies your credentials. If anything goes wrong in these steps, you might encounter an error like 310. Error 310 can manifest as messages indicating failed login attempts, often due to incorrect passwords, expired verification codes, or account synchronization problems across different apps and platforms. More complex authentication systems, like Kerberos used in enterprise environments, involve multiple steps, including ticket requests and validations. Failures at any point can cause authentication errors, similar to Error 310. It's essential to resolve authentication failures promptly to maintain security and access to your financial information. Understanding these breakdowns helps you troubleshoot effectively and protect your account. Several factors can trigger Error 310 on Robinhood. Let's explore the common causes. The first common cause is an incorrect password. If you enter the wrong password during login, the system will fail to authenticate you. Another cause is invalid or expired two-factor authentication codes. These codes are time-sensitive and must be entered correctly and promptly. Device synchronization problems can also trigger the error. This happens when your app is not properly linked to your account across devices. Server-side errors during high traffic periods, such as peak trading times, can overwhelm the system and cause authentication failures. Finally, security flags triggered by unusual login attempts, such as from a new location or device, can activate fraud detection and block access. Before diving into advanced solutions, start with basic troubleshooting. Double-check your username and password for typos. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. Poor connectivity can prevent login. Finally, restart the Robinhood app and your device. This can resolve temporary glitches. If you suspect your password might be incorrect or compromised, start by accessing the Robinhood login screen. Look for the Forgot Password option, usually located below the login fields. Click on Forgot Password to initiate the reset process. Robinhood will send reset instructions to your registered email address or phone number. Check your email for a secure reset link, as shown in this example notification. When resetting, choose a strong and unique password to enhance your account security. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid personal information and create a different password for each account. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a crucial security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your Robinhood account. Instead of relying only on your password, 2FA requires two different forms of verification before allowing access to your account. The authentication process typically starts with entering your username and password. If correct, the system then requires additional verification through methods like biometric scanning, an authenticator app code, or SMS verification. Only after successful second verification is access granted. In the case of Error 310, the issue often occurs during this second verification step, where the system fails to authenticate the 2FA code you provide. One common 2FA method is SMS verification, where you receive a 6-digit code via text message to your registered phone number. You enter this code to complete the login process. If you're using SMS 2FA, make sure to enter the exact code received in the message. Codes are typically valid for only a short time. Another popular method is using an authenticator app, which generates time-based codes that you enter. If the codes from your authenticator app aren't working, it may be out of sync with Robinhood servers. To resolve 2FA issues causing Error 310, ensure you're entering the exact code from your authenticator app or SMS. If the code doesn't work, try resyncing your authenticator app or requesting a new SMS code. These steps should help restore access to your account. Sometimes, disabling and then re-enabling two-factor authentication can resolve synchronization issues that cause error 310. First, access your account settings. Use the web interface if the app is blocked. Navigate to the Security or Privacy section. Temporarily disable two-factor authentication in your settings. Then, re-enable two-factor authentication, carefully following the setup instructions provided. Clearing the app's cache and data can resolve corrupted data issues that cause authentication failures. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Find the Robinhood app in the list. On iOS devices, go to Settings, then General and Storage. Find Robinhood in the app list and offload or delete it to clear data. Note that clearing app data might require you to log in again. Outdated app versions can have bugs that trigger error 310. Ensure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Robinhood's internal metrics showed a 40% reduction in incidents after updating the app in late 2025. For iOS users, start by opening the App Store on your device. Search for Robinhood in the App Store and look for any available updates. For Android users, open the Google Play Store on your device, navigate to My Apps and Games, and update Robinhood if an update is available. If the mobile app consistently displays error 310, try logging in via the Robinhood website on your computer. This can help determine if the issue is app-specific or account-related. The web version can also allow you to manage security settings. When using Robinhood across multiple devices, synchronization issues can cause authentication problems like error 310. Ensure all your devices are properly linked to your account. First, log out of Robinhood on every device you use. This clears any conflicting session data that might be causing the synchronization issue. Next, log back into each device one by one. This forces a fresh synchronization with your account, resolving any previous issues. By following these steps, your devices should synchronize properly, eliminating error 310 related to device conflicts. Occasionally, error 310 can be caused by server-side issues on Robinhood's end. Check Robinhood's official social media channels like Twitter or Facebook for any reported outages or maintenance. You can also check their status page if available to confirm any ongoing issues. If the troubleshooting steps haven't resolved your error 310, the next step is to contact Robinhood's customer support team directly. They offer personalized assistance and can investigate specific issues with your account. Robinhood provides 24/7 support through various channels, including phone service, as shown in their promotional materials. The most convenient way to reach support is through the in-app chat feature available within the Robinhood app. Simply navigate to the Help or Support section and start a conversation. Robinhood uses AI-assisted diagnostics in their support system, which can quickly analyze your issue and guide you through potential solutions before connecting you to a human representative. If you prefer not to use the app, you can visit Robinhood's official website where you'll find additional contact methods, including email support forms and community forums where other users share solutions. Always ensure you're accessing official Robinhood channels to protect your account security. Their support team is trained to handle authentication issues like error 310 safely and efficiently. Robinhood's security systems may flag unusual login attempts. If you've recently traveled or are using a new device, this could trigger error 310. Contact support to verify your identity and remove the flag. The 2024 Black Friday surge provides a real-world example of error 310 in action. During this major retail trading event, thousands of users faced authentication failures due to overwhelming server demands. Black Friday typically sees a huge spike in trading activity as investors take advantage of the holiday weekend. In 2024, login attempts surged by over 300% compared to normal days. This massive influx overwhelmed Robinhood's authentication servers, triggering error 310 for many users who couldn't log in despite valid credentials. The overload occurred because the servers couldn't handle the sudden spike in verification requests, highlighting the challenges of managing high traffic periods in fintech platforms. This case emphasizes the need for patience during peak trading times and shows how Robinhood responded by investing in better server infrastructure following a settlement agreement. A Reddit user named CryptoTrader92 experienced recurring error 310 after updating their iPhone. The solution involved disabling and re-enabling two-factor authentication, which revealed a device-specific bug. This case study highlights the importance of cross-device compatibility testing. In Q3 2025, a hedge fund experienced significant operational disruptions when multiple team members encountered error 310 during login attempts. This authentication failure led to delayed trades and potential financial losses for the institution. To resolve these issues, the hedge fund implemented single sign-on technology. SSO allows team members to authenticate once and access multiple systems securely, eliminating the repeated authentication failures that were causing delays. This case highlights the critical importance of robust authentication systems for financial institutions. Single sign-on not only prevents authentication errors, but also strengthens overall security by centralizing access control and reducing the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive trading platforms. Cybersecurity analyst Brian Krebs points out that Error 310 exposes vulnerabilities in app-based MFA, advocating for hardware tokens. Fintech expert Caitlin Long predicts that decentralized authentication will revolutionize trading apps, reducing errors significantly. According to a 2026 Statista report, authentication failures account for 15% of all fintech app support tickets, with Robinhood's Error 310 representing 5% of those. This highlights the widespread nature of authentication issues in the fintech industry. The industry is moving towards passwordless authentication, eliminating the need for traditional passwords. This approach uses biometrics like fingerprints, hardware keys, or device recognition for more secure and convenient login processes. WebAuthn is a key standard for passwordless authentication, allowing users to authenticate with hardware keys such as USB security keys or built-in biometric sensors. Robinhood is currently experimenting with WebAuthn in their beta program, implementing hardware keys to provide secure access without passwords. Looking ahead to 2027, decentralized identity solutions could significantly reduce authentication errors like Error 310 by up to 70%, offering a more robust and user-friendly security model. AI-driven anomaly detection is becoming more prevalent in modern security systems. This technology analyzes login patterns in real time, helping to reduce false positives in authentication errors like Robinhood's Error 310. By monitoring behavior patterns, it can effectively distinguish between legitimate users and potential malicious actors. In real-time anomaly detection, live and historical data continuously feeds into AI models. These models process patterns to identify deviations that might indicate security threats, such as unusual login attempts that could trigger Error 310. This proactive approach helps prevent authentication failures before they occur. Robinhood continuously updates its security measures to protect user accounts. Stay informed about the latest changes by following their official announcements. Check security guidelines regularly to understand new protocols. This proactive approach helps you address potential authentication issues before they occur. Error 310 can be frustrating, but by following these troubleshooting steps, you can usually resolve the issue. Remember to prioritize strong passwords, enable 2FA, and stay updated on Robinhood's security recommendations to protect your account.